Alrighty, this is gonna be the caramelizing onions cooking lab. So all the ingredients we have today is one whole yellow onion, a tablespoon, a knife to chop the onion, some balsamic glaze, olive oil, butter, and then of course the stove, the pan, spatula, and then some salt. Here's what the onions look like with it in half, with the outer layer, like the shell off, and then the stem end of the onion is chopped off. Now I'm gonna cut it into little half slices. Here are the sliced onions right before I start cooking them, and I have my pan heating up, and I decided to use a mixture of oil and butter. However, I know butter can burn easier, so I'm just gonna be pretty careful, but this is heating on medium-high heat. Now that our oil and butter is hot, I'm going to go ahead and add all the onions, try to kind of spread them evenly. And then I'm going to cook these on the medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. This is how my onions look after 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Now I'm going to add some salt, and I'm going to turn the temperature way down to cook them for about another 45 minutes on medium to low heat. Here's what the onions are looking like about 25 minutes in. Maybe later I'll add more oil, but as of right now, like, it is still coated with enough oil. So I'm going to keep it like this, and we're going to keep going for at least another 20 minutes, maybe 30 more, depending on how they look whenever I'm done. Here's what the onions look like about 40 minutes in. In a minute or two, I'm going to go ahead and add some balsamic glaze and go ahead and deglaze these down for just a couple more minutes. Here is the final product of the caramelized onions, and I also did deglaze them with some balsamic vinegar and some water. I think they actually turned out really well. They're very soft and flavorful, and I definitely will be eating these, and I would definitely make this again for sure. I decided to use the caramelized onions on top of bacon-wrapped hot dogs.